Okay, today we have the potential for severe weather in parts of Texas and in the northeast. And today we're going to discuss it. So we have a slight risk in DFW Metroplex and North Texas. And this includes cities like Dallas, Fort Worth, Arlington, McKinney, Denton, Grapevine, North Richland Hills, Gainesville. It includes, it even goes down into the southern Texas. It is a pretty big slight risk area. And let me show you. There is no risk for tornadoes. There it is, a 15% for wind and a slight risk. That's what triggered it. And large hail. Honestly, there is not a large hail risk in the DFW Metroplex, but however, I think there should be, and I'll show y'all in case y'all want to know. Hang on, just give me a second. Okay, there it is. I've taken a picture of it, and yeah, that's what it is. If I was in charge, I would include the 5% for hail to include not that area, but the DFW Metroplex, the area I scribbled is not included in it, but I include the DFW Metroplex and, of course, the areas that were in a slight risk. And, hold on a second. And yes, now let's go to the radar. We already have some storms out there. I'll get, hang on just a second and I'll, but never mind. We have this storm right here in southern Oklahoma. I mean, the storms aren't likely to hit North Texas until after midnight, like some have said. But honestly, I think that some storms will, they have the potential to hit North Texas this evening. Potentially, not a guarantee, but it's a potential. I'll get a picture of it and I'll show y'all the mappings. Oh, I'm so sorry. I've just messed things up. Here, stand by. Okay, here we go. I almost have it. It might just take me a minute. Okay, I'm so sorry. It's just taking me a couple minutes. This storm has the potential. It could potentially move that way. However, I think anywhere, mostly places in these areas, probably like Fort Worth to the east, of course, has the potential to be hit by these storms. I mean, this storm could very well get into the eastern portions of DFW, and yes, that's the case. And we have a severe thunderstorm warning right here. We can see. Hang on. Let me try to find. I know we have a severe thunderstorm warning in Oklahoma. There is the severe thunderstorm warning. Oh, I almost had it. There it is. 60-mile-an-hour wind gusts and quarter-sized hail. So I would put a 5% hail in these areas because there is some hail with apparently these storms. Now, and also we have a pretty big cluster of storms on there. I mean, to me that honestly almost reminds me of a hurricane, but it's not. We have this storm down here in southern Texas near Houston, and ooh, it looks, there's a little pink in it, meaning there could be even a little hail. Basically, that's what it means. And yet, we have another thunderstorm here, not severe, but strong. And let's see if we can see Hurricane Lee. Now let's talk about, actually we'll talk about this first. A severe thunderstorm watch does exist here in another part, and it runs till 11. Now I'm gonna cover about Hurricane Lee. I'll see if I can find that. It will be just a minute. I just need to pull up something. I'm looking. It will be just a second. And I can't seem to find a radar with Hurricane Lee, but I'll map it for y'all of basically what areas I think will be impacted by it. I'm going to take a screenshot. And now I'm going to map the, it will be just a second before I can get this, but basically I'm going to map the area that I'm concerned about. I'm sorry, stuff has been a little glitchy, of course. But it's no surprise. Okay, but I'll map it right here. So basically, I think the hurricane is located somewhere around here, and it will probably track northwards towards, and it will be several days before it hits these areas, and it might even weaken, and we think it's actually likely going to turn to something like that. But worst case scenario is that it will go directly towards Florida or South Carolina or any other part of the U.S. However, let's hope for the best, prepare for the worst. Anyways, you are free to share this anywhere. In fact, I would like for you to. And I will have more frequent updates with my community page. Anyways, yeah, share this on Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, whatever you need to do. Because in the future, I'll also have weather events that might be more serious than this, and it will be necessary for this. Anyways, bye. Frequent updates will be uploaded on my YouTube community page. Please subscribe. Help me get 1K subs, and let's try to make this a popular video. Thank you so much.